Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Cloudflare for security and speed strategy, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Cloudflare website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and repeat it in the confirmation field. Once you've filled in your information, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email from Cloudflare. Check your inbox and click on the verification link in the email. After verifying your account, log in using your email and password. Upon logging in, you will be prompted to add a site. Enter the URL of the website you wish to protect and speed up. Click on the Add Site button. Select a plan that fits your needs. Cloudflare offers a free plan, which is suitable for many users. After choosing a plan, click Confirm Plan. Cloudflare will then scan your domain's DNS records. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Review the DNS records that Cloudflare has found. Ensure that all necessary records are present and correct. If necessary, add or modify any DNS records as needed. Once satisfied, click on Continue. Next, you will be prompted to change your name servers. Cloudflare will provide you with 2 name servers. Log into your domain registrar's website to update your name servers. Replace your existing name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. After saving the changes, return to the Cloudflare dashboard. Click on Done, check name servers to confirm the update. It may take some time for the changes to propagate across the internet. Once the name servers are verified, Cloudflare will notify you. You can now access various features in the Cloudflare dashboard. Explore security settings to enhance your website's protection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.